Searching for information has become very easy nowadays. For example, if you want to know more about God, all we need is type it in Google and within seconds we will have page after page of information. But there are limitations to what Google can search for. It can tell us that the Bible contains the word God, but it cannot tell us what kind of actions God performed in the book. This kind of actions can be answered with a Treebank. In linguistics, a treebank is a database of sentences annotated with syntactic information. It can tell us how different elements in a sentence relate to one another. This project makes use of treebanks to visualize the relationships of words in a text. This is the web interface of the tool. From the menu, the users can choose which treebank they wish to use, for example, the Old Testament. They can then type in the words they are interested in and select the relationships they want to use. In this example, I want to search for the word God and see what kind of verbs it is associated with when it is used as a subject in the sentence. The graph shows the word God and the verbs associated with it, along with the numbers of times they are used when God is the subject. Clicking on the line in the graph will display a list of relevant sentences found in the text. We can use this visualization tool to search for interesting patterns and answer questions about the text. Suppose we want to compare the most common actions performed by God in the Bible and by the Buddha in the Buddha Sutras. From the graph, we can see that in both cases, most of the actions are about speaking. This means God and Buddha are often featured as the speaker in the books. It is expected because both the Old Testament and the Buddha Sutras are, ultimately, about giving advices. Now suppose we want to find out what words are associated with the 4 cardinal directions in the Tang poems. From the graph, we can see that the word wind is modified by all 4 directions. The word mountain is mostly associated with south and east. The word ocean often found with east, and the word river is used with west. All these can be traced back to the actual geography in China. This tool allows users to find patterns that are not usually obvious, and to search for answers about the text that normal search engines cannot offer. It is built as a web page, so users without linguistics or computing backgrounds can also make use of it to make their own discoveries.